So this is what I'm telling you, because the picture you see in front is a legacy that you and many other students have left behind. So I hope that in the future, kung man ang future na ibuod sa mga PNC students, you will not disappoint the past hard work that you have done in the past 4 years. Siguro, right now, even if you are awaiting graduation, most of you are confused, right? Which path should I take? What will I do after graduation? So, since I am here not only as a municipal councilor, but as the designated active of Trinidad Municipal College, I'm here to give you 5 advices. Are you ready to listen to those advices? Advice number 1, your social media is an extension of yourself. It is you, but in a digital platform. So, you should use your social media wisely. So, I will not try to name any names, but last year, a very strong and problematic graduating student came to me with a difficult problem. Ma'am Jo, hindi po pwede pag-zoom in graduation because I posted something in social media that iinsulto ang pangalan sa Trinidad Municipal College. So in this day and age, you are not considered complete without a social media platform. Why? Your employers will reach out to you digitally and not physically. But example, you will need an email, contact number, Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter page. So those things are an extension of you. That means it is you but in an individual platform. So right now, when you use your Facebook, when you open your Instagram, that is you yourself posting those images. So you are always held accountable for what you post. Be sure to think before you click. And unfortunately, that student came to me, he or she was not able to graduate. So, it's sad until you realize that it was a mistake. Because naman, isip tayo sa social media, because we always think that we don't think about sila lang yun. It is not me, but somehow, in some way, your employers will know that is you. So, you might end up losing a job, or much worse, losing your family. So, advice number 2, you have to choose your friends wisely. Your college friends will influence how you succeed or how you fail. So, if you let the wrong people influence you, you will never be able to succeed. So, that is a sad reality that sometimes people love a mystery loves company. So, kung ganahan mo sa kapag achieve mo siya, pinakalan mo siya goals. So that's why you have to identify the people you want to be close with. You have to be with people that emulate how you want to succeed in your life. So, hindi ka mga amigo na maka-influence natin sa ito. Kaya naman, kung magsige na kung associate sa mga tao, sa Filipino, mga Again, louder.
Pressure is a privilege.
I will say 3 students saying it. This is the hardest part of your job. Can you say it with me? Pressure is a privilege. So if you are under pressure right now, there are only very few people that are lucky enough to be in your place, to feel that kind of pressure, the pressure to serve with your heart. That is what your job is. Because no matter how many books you read, when you're on the job, when you're in training, those books will not save you. Pressure is a privilege. So if you are having problems right now with your teachers, with your peers, with your parents, financially, emotionally, when you are in that chair looking at the platform in a vast ocean of students, consider that you are lucky to be in that picture. You are lucky to be sitting here right now, looking forward at the end of your educational experience, because you are already 4-year students. You are lucky to feel that pressure. So, usahay mo yung pag-practice, especially in the Filipino culture, not knowing that those obstacles were put there on purpose, so that in the future, we all would struggle and rise from our failures. So those obstacles that you are facing right now, God will put them in your way in the future. And you will say, I've been here before, I know what to do. No, because if you will never experience that kind of pressure, that kind of failure, that means you are stuck in a place in your life, if you are very comfortable with where you are now, that means you are not expecting success. So failure is a sign that you are on your way to success. Advice number 4. You will never be this young again. Ever. So today you are this young, tomorrow you will be a day older. The next day you will be 2 days old. After 365 days, you will be a year older. You will never ever be this young again in your life. So I want you to enjoy your youth. Dance, sing, and laugh as much as you can. And look back on your memories, the good memories in your life, and say, this is how I want to live my life. I want to be healthy. I want to be wealthy. I want to be achieve. So I'm not saying when I say enjoy your life, enjoy your life. What I mean by that is you will never be this healthy again. You will never be this mentally active again in your life. So praying you will succeed as early as now, because you will never be this vigorous again in your life. So, for example, I told myself I could have been more. I could have been more holy and so good side. But then I look back, I have already achieved enough. And I want to achieve more, not for myself, but in the service of other people. So that is what I am doing. I have been many things in my life. I have been a makeup artist for years and years. I have been a graphic artist, advertiser, marketer. I have been a businesswoman, and now I am devoted to serving in the municipality of Manila. That is why we, as students of Manila Municipal College, we need to everyday action. So I hope that in my last advice, I have given you so many advices, 4 advices for free. So siguro, ako, no, in return, I want you to do in your life, the very last have a Karonaka Festival every month of May. And in a few days, we will also be celebrating the 77th anniversary, anniversary of the municipality of Pilipinas. I am the chairman of that. So, siguro, ang kasalanan inyong malugan sa taong anniversary sa munisipyo ay saan? Disco. No. Sakto, disco ay muna kumakipan. No. Favorite kasalanan, kita disco. So, I am inviting you. Since we are in Trinidad, and we're going to school in Trinidad Municipal College, please participate in the activities that we have as a community. Why? You will never know what happens, no? Not by saying na ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinagdatingan ay hindi makakarating sa pagkakas. So, I humbly ask you to participate in all activities that we have in our community in Trinidad Municipal College as much as you can. Whenever you become an alumnus of PNC, contribute your time back to PNC and helping rebuild or reshape the kind of education that has happened. So, hindi na lang siguro ito. I wish that I would be seeing you in the next few months in your program